So today we will be talking about the top 5 reasons why you should choose Aasaan ERP Lite. If you are a small or medium level businesses, then Aasaan ERP Lite is the perfect solution for you. Let me start with the first reason. The first reason to choose Aasaan ERP Lite is its ease of use. Small businesses generally lack the resources to train their employees for a long time on any ERP system. And this is the reason generally they avoid going for any ERP solution. Aasaan ERP Lite is a perfect solution for small and medium level businesses because it is very easy to use it and very quickly you can onboard all your employees with minimum level of training onto it. The second reason is why you should choose Aasaan ERP Lite for small businesses is that it is specifically tailored for small businesses. What I mean by specifically being tailored, if you go into the market, you will get many softwares which may be doing work of HR, which may be doing work of a CRM, which may be doing work of purchase, sales, or specifically some kind of module. But you will hardly find any ERP which will be taking care of all these modules in an integrated way at a single platform. If the ERPs are existing which have integrated modules, then those ERPs are generally made for big level of businesses which needs a higher level of expertise, a long time for training, and these kind of complexities will come into picture. But in Aasaan ERP Lite, all these things have been taken care well by giving you a tailored solution. This solution which completes your end-to-end cycle. If you are into services business, manufacturing business, or a similar kind of business, then Aasaan ERP Lite is a perfect ERP, a small packet to manage all your needs quickly. The third reason to choose Aasaan ERP Lite for small businesses is quick implementation and setup. As I said, this ERP is tailored specifically for small businesses. That's why when you come to implement it, it's very quick, just like you have started working on Excel sheets. Here, within 5 minutes, you get registered, and in the next 5 minutes, you can easily start creating invoices, taking care of inventories, managing HR. All these things you can start very quickly. However, if you want to go in detail and understand each feature, then you may take another 1 or 2 hours to understand, like you're taking months to understand the features in Aasaan ERP Lite. The fourth reason to choose Aasaan ERP Lite is it's cost effective. Again, all our solutions that we have offer in Aasaan services, either Aasaan ERP Lite or Aasaan ERP or AWM, which is specifically made for waste management solutions, all of them are basically cost effective solutions. So today we are talking about Aasaan ERP Lite. It's very cost effective. If you are a small business and just want one user, it's entirely free for you. If you are a bit bigger business, you may need 4 users, 10 users, 20 users, then also it's very cost effective. If I talk about India, in India it just costs 12,000 rupees per year per user. Don't compare it with any other ERPs because you may simply straightforward come to the conclusion that okay, 1,000 rupees per month, I can get many ERPs like that. You don't get ERPs. You get either CRM, you either get HR, you either get biometric attendance kind of thing, or a single kind of module that you can get. But you never get in 1,000 rupees a complete ERP which can take care of your end-to-end solution. So when I say cost effective, I mean it. You can compare our cost effectiveness with any other businesses around the world. The fifth and the last reason that why you should choose Aasaan ERP Lite is it's scalable and future ready. What I mean by scalable? See, if you are a small business, then giving you a hefty ERP, it's overkilling, right? So you need a small ERP which basically fulfill your requirement. That's what Aasaan ERP Lite does. But if you are a business which is growing, then Aasaan ERP Lite has the capability to grow along with you. What I mean by that? It simply means that we have given you all the features that may be required prima facie by you. But in case you grow, then we have the complete customization capability in Aasaan ERP Lite so that you can deploy your own instance of Aasaan ERP Lite and can get it customized as per your growth or as per your size. And if you grow much bigger, then we have a complete integration of migrating from Aasaan ERP Lite to our Aasaan ERP, which is a full-fledged ERP to suit your requirement. And It's a future ready. So not only Aasaan ERP Lite is also equipped with many AI driven features which could be helpful in this era to make your business grow and become more and more profitable going further.